Today we'll be taking a look at the Peterson Mini Light clearance and side marker trailer light. This is going to be a rectangular incandescent trailer light bulb. We'll have our housing, which provides us with the ground connection there whenever we put in our hardware. Then we'll have our wire to connect to the back. It has just a plastic base. It's compatible with 12-volt DC systems, and then it just surface mounts to your trailer. There's a little notch cut out in that bracket so our wiring can go out a couple different ways here, and it's not going to crush it or cause any issues. Now, the hardware to get this mounted up is not included, so you will be able to pick up some on your own, whether that's a nut and bolt or a self-tapping screw. It is DOT compliant and PC rated, which basically means that it can be seen both head-on and from the side and still be effective when mounted properly. I'm going to connect this to a power source so we can get an idea of how bright this will be. Turn on my power here. You can see our light comes on. Turn out the lights in the studio and get a better idea of how bright that is. Excuse me, even in low light. So still visible even from the side. Not super bright, but bright enough to be effective. The bulb type inside there is a 194 or 193. Either one of those bulb types will work. To get into that housing, you just need to pry back on this white tab, which I think I can just do by hand. Yep. And then that will release the side of the lens, and then we can do that on the other side. So my right hand's a little stronger. There, we can pop that off. So then you just wiggle that bulb out to replace it. And as you can see on the side of the bulb, it has 193 stamped on there. It might be a little hard for you guys to see that on camera, but there it is. To get that back in place, it's just going to put that lens back over, snap it down into place. Now, as far as dimensions, our bracket overall, flip that around, is about 3 1/4 inches long. From the center of each of those mounting holes to the center of the other, it's about 2 3/4 inches. The lens, just for fun, is about 1 3/4 inches long. The width is right about 1 inch. And then the overall height is about 1 1/8 inches tall. The wiring coming off of our light is just about 7 inches long. Our power draw at 12 volts will be 0.25 amps. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty from Peterson, and this does work as an exact replacement for the truck light number 1507, the Grote number 46882, Optronics number MC11RB, and Primatronics part number PT2640R. That's going to do it for our look at the Peterson Mini Light clearance and side marker trailer light.